Full on days, RA every single day, multiple shipments every single week, on the road for long road trips every other week, no clue, no system, 500 euros in a pot, but I got proof of concept and that was it. We're now 10 years in, but I spent 7 years with my head down, not even looking up, just cracking on. And now I look back at the first 5 years and it was a complete mess compared to now. Now we just passed 9,554,000 in sales from that initial seed 500 euros. So I'm going to give you the mistakes and the lessons I've learned along the way and the tools in the system and the team I've put in place now to run this machine without me. Nearly. This is the last video in the series and this is a big one, and this video is sponsored by ProfitPath. So I'm going to be honest with you because that's the whole point of this one. I hit 7 figures in a single year and that was my day one goal done, but I still felt stuck because I'd left the rat race and now created my own hamster wheel that I couldn't really get off. And I looked forward and thought, is this it? Just me and Carmen doing everything ourselves, putting in more hours for more results when we were already maxed out. It was a massive achievement to hit those 7 figures, and honestly that changed our life and we've never looked back. But here's the mistake. For that first 5 years I refused to outsource. I thought I was Superman. Now, if you can relate to that, leave a comment down below. I thought I could and should do every single thing, and I thought I was saving money. But the reality is I was the bottleneck. I was the one holding the business back. And I didn't put a single proper system in place until getting a team forced me to do so. But by then I'd wasted years. Right, think of a bucket with 20 holes in it. You can try and pour water in faster and faster, or you can plug the holes, right? For years I was just trying to fill the bucket faster. Don't make the mistake I did. Outsource sooner. Get systems in earlier, because 2026, this is the year of automation. You've heard me say it before, and now we have the tool that pretty much plugs every single hole, and it's getting better every single day. And I'll show you how we're using it and how we've eliminated 45% of the Google Sheets we were using. And we're 11 people on a team. That's a lot of Google Sheets. So here's a mistake most sellers make without even realizing it. You get to certain numbers and then you realize you've got to start outsourcing. Just do it sooner. But for me, it was 5 years. Then I started hiring a team. One person doing the admin, and then the sourcing, and another person coming in to do the admin, and everyone's starting to level up, which is great. The team started growing, the numbers started increasing without me having to do even more work. I didn't have to travel every single week. I didn't have to do RA every single day, which was great. But when my VA started sourcing for me, I had no way of seeing who was doing what. It was just one pot, everyone contributing to the same profit number and no way to measure anyone individually. That's a problem. So about 3.5 years ago, we started embedding an identifier into the SKU itself. Just think something like VA1, VA2, and that let us finally see the margin, ROI, the units bought, units sold per team member. And that was the beginning of real KPIs. Then I could reward top performers and I could see if anyone was falling behind and then have a conversation and give them some more training. But you got to realize I had to create all of these systems myself. Yeah, there was a few bits of software in the last 5 years, but previous to that, there was barely anything. And now ProfitPath has all of this natively baked inside. And right here, you've got the SKU builder. So you decide what you want baked into that SKU, all these identifiers that you can use. So then you can start tracking. So it tracks the team member who bought a product, the strategy they used. Did they use ProfitGo, manual sourcing, reverse sourcing, or was it a ping inside your own Discord? It breaks it down by supplier. So this is all brand new. So we've only recently implemented this, but you can see your purchase volume, your top categories, top brands, your top stores, sourcing methods, everything you need to see, and it's all broken down for you in one place. And if you're moving decent volume on certain brands, then you want to start thinking about contacting those brands. Now, some of these ones are very big brands, but we can still look to get trade accounts, or if not, we go to the main distributors. And if they're smaller brands, we even go for exclusivity. That's our move this year, and that's the start of your first system. Not only that, I've done a full video for you last week all about ProfitDesk. Make sure you check it out and make sure you subscribe to follow for the next videos. And this is insane because now you can actually track people's time inside the software. Just click on here what they're working on, and everyone can do this, even you if you really want to. That's going to start tracking your time there, and I've got a whole video on this for you as well in the series. But this is crazy. This is eliminating another piece of software that we currently use. This is brand new and beta, by the way, so this may change slightly by the time you see it. We can track all of our team members. We can even drill into each one of them and actually add tasks for them, see their sessions, their payouts, every single thing. And don't forget to set their goals and connect it up to your Discord as well. This seriously still blows my mind. So not only are we getting rid of Google Sheets, we're getting rid of other pieces of software as well. ProfitPath is becoming the all-in-one piece of kit, and that's why I am all in on this. And I'm actively helping them to make this better. This is the ecosystem that we needed. So we're currently migrating our current time tracker into this one now. And you can come in here and you can edit all of their permissions, because maybe you don't want them poking around in a certain area of this. just keep them on admin, or are they just on sourcing? You can separate it all out. I'm smiling because I couldn't have even imagined something like this when I started that many years ago. This is like sci-fi stuff compared to back then, but this is helping us automate everything and get rid of Google Sheets and systemize. And for me, going through from 10 years ago, having no system, nothing at all, just literally kind of winging it, and then now all of this under one roof. And this is getting better and better every single day, guys. I don't know what to say. This is the best piece of kit I've found out there in all my years. And we've ditched multiple softwares and multiple sheets. And I'm going to use the best piece of kit out there, and that's the only things that I talk about, is the things that I use. So now we've got the team organized, let's talk about sourcing, because this is where it really steps up. So we've got a ton of different ways to find products, and it feels like we've almost got an infinite amount of ways to source. So you've got some simple ways like supplier search, and these are the low-hanging fruit. But remember, when there's low-hanging fruit, everyone can reach it. The harder it is to find something, the more unique it is, then the better chance you've got of being the one or the few sellers on that listing. So that's really what we want to go for. But start at the beginning, and then you can get more creative as you learn these tools. But start thinking differently. If everyone's going left, maybe you want to go right. So start with supplier search, where you can come through and search an individual supplier. And then that levels up in multi-search, where you can come and search up to 350 suppliers in one go. And this thing is so fast, it's crazy. You can find new suppliers you're not even using yet, and even brands that you're not already selling. Then there's spy search, and here's the truth about storefront stalking for us before. We barely did it because honestly it was tedious and slow. You'd find a competitor, you'd pull their store ID, get their ASINs from Keeper Product Finder, and that told you what stock they carried. Then you could go and do a reverse search of that. But next week you want to do it again, and you got to do the whole process again. If you wanted to know what they added since last week, you'd have to scan the whole store again and then take out what they didn't have last week. Honestly, a proper mess and too time consuming, and spy search killed that. You add the store ID in here, it tracks their entire inventory, and it pings you the moment they add something new to their store, but only when it's profitable for you based on your parameters, and it can be found in a store. And it pings you straight into your own Discord. This is our own Discord that we've created, and it's all linked up. All of these bots and alerts are coming from ProfitPath and our parameters. This is insane. Can you imagine how many hours that saved us? And some of the team all of a sudden are loving storefront stalking. And then we've got reverse search, where you can plug a ton of ASINs, GTINs in here, even just put the brand itself, and then reverse search that to find the suppliers in the system. So you can find it on suppliers that you've already used before, or even find some new suppliers. It's a great way to add new opportunities. And then you've got ProfitGo that you can access from anywhere inside ProfitPath. You'll see it on every single Amazon page as well. And also, of course, on your mobile for in-store, and ProfitGo on your phones when you're doing your RA. Plus you've got reverse search built straight into this. So you can do RA and reverse search at the same time, manual sourcing and finding it on other stores. So you're leveraging your time and getting the most bang for your buck. Sourcing in your pocket wherever you are. Because if you're like me, then you're always looking for a deal. You go out shopping anywhere, you think, let's have a little scan of that just in case. For me, this is a serious level up from when I was using SellerAmp. This allows me to quick fire scan products. And I've done an in-depth video on ProfitGo and how I use it in store and online. You can see that and all the others in this series. And I can scan about 20 products in a minute and then screen really quickly just based on the max cost, and I only focus on the ones that are close. That seriously speeds up the game, especially when you're in those stores and they've got the barcode on a shelf. That's amazing because you can scan all of them and then just go back and check them really quickly. You can honestly do up to like 10 times the amount you were doing before. So now let's get into the seriously deep stuff, A to A. And I'll be honest, I got burnt by lead groups before, and I was actually late to the game as well compared to most people in the UK. But I remember jumping on one product like it was yesterday. I got 36 units. It looked brilliant. There was like 9 other sellers, and it was selling 1,000 units a month. And then 2 weeks later, when my stock's there, I remember those numbers exactly. It was 263 sellers on the listing. And obviously the price got tanked, but it got tanked below the cost price of the product. Now for us, we're in no rush to sell these products. We've got a system, we've got our repricer, and it reprices down every 30 days. So we managed to make a small profit on it, but that's a clear reason why you want to stay away from lead groups. I'm not saying all lead groups are bad, but you have to really understand how they work. And that's exactly why we can create our own Discord, and we link this all up to ProfitPath. So all of these pings are based on our parameters when that product is profitable for us, not just a price drop. I don't care about the thousands of price drops go on every day. We want to get our own parameters in there, and it only pings us when it's profitable for us. And this works for the UK and the EU, and you've also got your spy search in there as well. But that's not it. It goes another level even above that. So this is DealWatch, ASIN specific hunting like A to A, but not just every ping, just the ASINs you're looking for, but it also searches for you in stores as well. This is one of the most powerful things that we use in our sourcing. Do yourself a favor like I've done. I've got a list of 15,000 ASINs that we've sold before over the last 5 years, and I plugged them all in here. So now it's going to ping me when those products are profitable and give me the supplier where I can find it. You see how powerful this is? And if you haven't tested it out already, you get a 28-day free trial using my link below. If that's not a no-brainer, I don't know what is. So you got your spy search, your A2A, and your DealWatch all pinging through to your private Discord just for you and your team. No one else is in here. Now, could the same deal get pinged out to lead groups as well as pinging here? Yeah, of course. But the chances are dramatically reduced. You don't see the power in that, I don't know what to tell you. So that's the team sorted, that's the sourcing sorted, and now everything from purchase all the way through to Amazon. Let's cover that in ProfitDesk. Another mistake I made, the first 3 years I was in business, I've got no history of any products that I've got from back then. I was so unorganized. And the 2 years after that were messy at best, like no record really to go back to. We had no plan of replenishing. I didn't focus on replenishing for years, and that cost us a ton in potential profit. Don't make the same mistakes as me. That's why I'm telling you this, so you can learn and you can use these systems. But why wouldn't you replenish? You know these products sell, you know they're profitable, you just sold them. All you got to do now is find more of them. Go to your current supplier where you bought them, or go and find them somewhere else using these tools. You got all the tools here: reverse search, DealWatch, wholesale scanner. Now replenishments are the first thing we do every single day. All the orders from yesterday, let's find those first at a price that makes sense. Then we can replace, increase or decrease based on the last 45 days of sales, because we really want to be keeping in stock 30 to 45 days. Once we've got all the replens we can, then we move on to finding new products. And a bigger one as well, we didn't reconcile products. And literally a year and a half into my journey, I didn't think that Amazon would miss or lose anything. I thought they had it all under control perfectly. They don't. When I finally started chasing things up, I realized that there was 100 units that we couldn't claim for. We passed the deadline. Again, learn from my mistakes, because those windows have gotten even tighter now. So you must make sure you're claiming everything you can, and you do that inside ProfitDesk here. So you come to all your reimbursements and make sure you're getting everything you possibly can. And just this alone could pay for your entire ProfitPath subscription, just from things you didn't know you were losing money on. It's a no-brainer. And then there's a Google Sheets mayhem, right? If you're a solo seller, you've probably got a dozen Google Sheets. If you've got a team like me, you've probably got hundreds, if not thousands in the system. If you don't track anything, it's a problem. If you've got a load of Google Sheets, it can be a problem. Grow that team, your problem multiplies. Then it becomes a maze of Google Sheets. People start naming their own sheets, and then you as the owner, you want to find something, but you got no clue where it is, what it's called, and then you got to ask them, what did you call it, so you can find it. So this year I've been on a rampage to cull Google Sheets. We've got over 100 active Google Sheets, so we've been literally getting rid of those and replacing them with ProfitDesk. As you can imagine, over this many years, in our Google Drive, there's thousands of Google Sheets. Most of them are just irrelevant now, and they just hang around until at some point I've got to do a big clean out. And one sheet evolves into another sheet, and then you create scripts, and it gets more complex. And then you start automating between sheets, which is all great, but it's still not clean enough. Nothing talks to each other, nothing connects. And not being organized enough and tracking enough cost us badly in 2024. So we got to December, we had serious delays in the German prep center right in the middle of Q4 buying, and we weren't tracking it closely enough to catch the problem early. Stock we bought to sell out by Christmas didn't land until January, and you know what happens in January. Most of the prices get tanked as they clear out from Q4, and we had a mess to sort out in January. Don't let the same thing happen to you. Use this. Everything I just talked about lives inside ProfitDesk. Like, this fixes it all. You place the order in here once, it lists it in Seller Central in all the markets you're selling. It adds it to your prep center, and make sure you're using a prep center that uses Prep Business, by the way, which they should. So this can all be then automated. And if you're not, and you need a good prep center in the UK, DM me and I will sort you out. You even get 50 units prep for you for free when you sign up through my link. So where was I? You add this to ProfitDesk. You can add the ordering here. Then it creates the listing for you in all your Seller Central accounts. It creates the listing for you in all marketplaces in the EU and the UK. It adds it to your prep center, it tracks it to Amazon, and it flags reconciliation issues. And then it highlights all of your reimbursements for you. They're all here, the case number, everything's there exactly where you need it. And then you've got the customer return dashboard right here. Everything is highlighted, all your customer returns, the reasons why it was returned. So you can see exactly what should be coming back to you when you do your removal orders. And if there's a problem, if there's an issue, you can claim it. If it's overdue, it's going to tell you so you can claim. If there's no box, missing pieces, or the classic switcheroo, you can claim it. If it comes back okay, you can literally create a product listing, list it as used, and send it back in. Sell it on the same marketplace. 95% of products that come back are okay to sell as used. It's not about making a profit on these, but you want to get some of that money back. And a little tip, if it comes back in a sealed box, we open every single one, because we've had so many products that come back and it's a switcheroo, like there's t-shirts inside, or there's just bricks, things like that. Don't make the mistake of sending it back into Amazon, because imagine what would be coming your way if a customer opens that thinking to get a great product and it's t-shirts or something else random. But you can list it right here. You can even add images. And this will even translate these condition notes for you. Say goodbye to piles of doom, just get them out straight away. This makes it so easy. Just send it back in as soon as possible, and we sell a lot of used products back on Amazon. So that's your whole process. All bought, all shipped, all landed, all reconciled, all in one place. And now there's sheets. These are like Google Sheets evolved, but they're not static. They're not just a row of words and stats on a Google Sheet. These is all built inside ProfitPath itself. So now from anywhere inside the ecosystem, you can just add this here. Click on here. And there it is. So every product you source, it lands straight in here. So this is like a Google Sheet, but it's live. You've got all of your data here. You can even click on live data. So this is like an interactive Google Sheet. It's going to show you all your potential profitability. It's going to show you your supplier. It's going to show you everything about this product. And then you can even click on live data. And for those of you with a team, your team members can add these products here, and then you can approve or reject them and track the order straight from here. You see how this all connects? Everything's talking to each other. Everything's working together. This is not just a system. This is the ecosystem. This stuff honestly still blows my mind, because 10 years ago, I couldn't have even dreamed there could have been things like this. Honestly, you guys are so lucky if you're just getting started in this game. So here's what I actually want you to take from this. When I started this business a decade ago, there were almost nothing, no tools. People complain it's hard to start Amazon these days. Okay, there are more barriers to entry on Amazon, but you've got all these tools available to you. I had nothing. Well, like Keeper and the Amazon Seller app, that was it. And my plan and strategy was basically find a product I could sell for 2 or 3 times more on Amazon and under 100K rank. That was it. And over the years, I kind of bolted a tool on here, a tool on there. Every time there's a kind of new gap showed up. I used to use Actorio and SellerAmp, Seller Toolkit, that didn't talk to it. I used to use Actorio for this, SellerAmp for this, and nothing spoke to each other. It didn't connect to each other. I basically duct taped everything together. I was trying to make my own version of what ProfitPath does now, but this does it much better. It all syncs together. And yes, there are other tools out there. Some find products, some manage your team, some might automate a process here or there. This does it all under one roof. So we've passed 9,554,000 in sales over the last decade. And we're on track to do 2.3 million this year. But this was never about me doing it alone. So let me be blunt. If you've been doing this a while, you're spinning your wheels, you feel like you're not progressing, this is exactly what I help people with in my coaching. I get them to follow in my footsteps, use the systems I use, create the team like I have. And I'm not selling you the dream. I'm a guy, I'm a dad. I've been doing this for a decade and I'm still here. There are people doing a lot more than me, and that's fine. But we're still standing 10 years later, no flimsy BS, no fancy cars, I still drive a freaking van. And we're still on the road to financial freedom ourselves, a decade in. And I'll be honest about it. This is not about Lamborghinis. This is about security, travel, time with a family. But eventually it means a business can run completely without me and Carmen. That's the dream. We don't have to manage stuff every single day ourselves. And we're 90+% of the way there. And that's amazing when you get to that stage, because you can do the things you enjoy. You can work on the projects you want to. You can find new brands. You can source, but not when you have to, when you want to. But it's not instant. This business runs 24/7, 365, and it needs managing. But eventually, it doesn't necessarily need us to manage it. If we set it up the right way, the right systems, the right team, then the dream doesn't have to be a dream forever. That's what I want for me, and that's what I want for all of you. This is not some bullshit pump up telling you can do it for no reason. There's so much freaking opportunity in this space, and it's daft to try and keep it all for yourself. There's way too much for any one of us. And some people in this space are just toxic, gatekeeping stuff and telling you you're too late. Forget it. Let's lift everybody up. That's what I do with my clients, and that's what we do in the AMZ Unleashed Discord. If you want to get involved in that free community, down below. If you're interested on a one-on-one with me, the links are also below. Get on a free call and see what we can do together. So that's the whole journey, from 500 euros, no clue, to a business that runs almost without me. And this will never be easier to start than right now. You get that, right? As I like to say, when is now a good time? And there's only one answer, and you know it. If you've been thinking about this for a while, you got the tools, you got the place to go to get help. Use them, but use them sensibly. No bullshit Lamborghinis out the front. No Lamborghini videos of me on TikTok. Real stories, real life, real work. If you want to follow my journey, make sure you subscribe and check out ProfitPath, because that makes all this possible, and you get a 28-day free trial and 10% off your first month. It's a no-brainer. And the AMZ Unleashed Discord, totally free. Come and join me in there. Every single Wednesday we do live sessions. Let's all get to that next level. I'll see you in the next one.